Hello and welcome to the 15th in our series of model rail video programmes designed to be enjoyed alongside the monthly magazine of the same name. We hope it'll enhance your enjoyment of this truly great hobby of ours. Today we're at Carnforth, which is the home of our video producers Telerail, and in the 1980s it was home for me too. Now this station has got a really famous background because it was here in 1945 that Celia Johnson and Trevor Howard enjoyed, if that's the right word, their legendary brief encounter. A fleeting love affair that took place against the background of Carnforth Station and its famous refreshment room. But before we walk in their footsteps and look at the restored station and visitor centre, let's take a preview of what we've got in store for you in this programme. We've got two fine layouts to visit, starting with Terry Booker's Wessex lines. It draws its inspiration from the Dorset area. It's got western and southern influences, and there's a dash of Pendon style scenic work too. Model rail editor Chris Lee is still working on the open frame baseboard we've seen in previous programmes. This time he's installing a road and rail level crossing. In our archive section we've got the BR Riddles Class 4 264 tanks and the much missed Class 27 diesels. In our review section we've got two new superb models from Hornby, the bullied Southern Q1060 and the Class 50 diesel electric. We'll show you a simple way to add weight to your models using liquid lead, if that's not a contradiction in terms, whilst Dave Lowry shows how prototypes are decorated for special celebration models. Modern image layouts with full-length trains are actually quite unusual, so a visit to Rob Cooper's New Mills exhibition layout is a real eye-opener. It's just countryside and trains with not a building in sight, but there's still plenty of interest.